I'm very happy to have you on the channel today. Let's make this simple cupcake. Trust me, you will fall in love with them. It tasted very delicious, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes here, and please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have with me here my butter. Okay, that was about 4 tablespoons. I melted it and now have added my sugar, half quarter cup of sugar. Okay, I will mix it very well till the sugar dissolves, and then we can proceed. You can decide to reduce the quantity of the sugar, but trust me, with this recipe the sugar was perfect. Okay, you know I don't like sugar, so if I tell you it was perfect, then you should know that it wasn't sugary. So if you want to add at least 2 tablespoons of the sugar, that should be okay, but using the quarter cup of sugar was okay for me. Now I've added 2 eggs already, and I'll go ahead and add the eggs to it bit by bit or one by one. Okay, if you've mixed the egg, you add it to it bit by bit, but if you want to add it to it one by one, that is okay. So far we have used 3 eggs, and I will just continue to mix it till everything becomes uniform. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me? I'll be very happy to see your comments in the comment section and also your suggestions. Okay, I'll be very happy to know how you prepare your cake as well, so I will learn something from you. I'll then go ahead and add 1 cup of milk, that is whole milk. Mix it very well till it becomes uniform. So far we have used 4 tablespoons of butter, quarter cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. I will then go ahead and then sieve my flour. So we will be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can as well use soft flour or cake flour if that is what you want. Okay, mix it very well till it becomes uniform, and then when you are mixing it, you should be very careful so that your mixture will not become lumpy. Okay, so concentrate or focus on what you are doing. I'll sieve the rest of the flour, and then we can proceed with the preparation. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos, okay, on all social media platforms. We share short videos there, videos that are a minute or less than a minute's duration, which are always very detailed. Okay, follow us there and let's enjoy there as well. Thank you so much. So we are still on mixing our ingredients, and this is where we have gotten to. I'll just go ahead and add half a tablespoon of baking powder and the rest of the flour. Okay, you can as well mix your baking powder with the flour as well. Okay, that would be the best, especially if you are a beginner. If you are not careful, maybe you may not mix it well, so you can decide to mix all the dry ingredients before you add them to the wet one. What I just added was my salt, that is a pinch of salt. Okay, you can decide not to add that to it. Now I've added my vanilla. You can use or you can add any flavor of your choice, and you are good to go. You can as well use cinnamon powder instead, or nutmeg. Okay, but in this recipe I don't want any nutmeg in or cinnamon powder, so I decided to use the vanilla, and that took the cake to another level. Are you still with me? If yes, Thank you so much. We have another YouTube channel. The name is Recipe Goddess. We share the recipes there using the local dialect. So kindly follow us there for more detailed videos. Now I have my muffin tray here, and I have my cake, the pan liner, and that is in it. I'm just going to pour the cake batter in, and then we can proceed. You can as well just pour this in your cake pan or bread pan, and then you are good to go. As I'm talking to you right now, I've preheated my oven at 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm just going to wait for 10 minutes so it can preheat very well before I start baking. I hope you get it. You can as well decide not to preheat your oven, but trust me, preheat it, okay? Yes. You can as well bake this in your air fryer and you will get it perfect. Thank you once again for your time. Now, I'm just going to continue adding it to the liner, or anyhow you will call this, and then we can continue. This took about 20 minutes and it was ready. Let's put it in. It is ready, and just look at how soft it is. Very soft, not buttery, okay? It is not hard. It is very soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. This got finished the same day. Oh yes, they really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. So I come your way next time. I will see you in the next video, and please take good care of yourself, and do not forget to like the video and share to others. I will see you in the next one. You can't afford to miss it. We will meet. Bye bye.